we have come out of the house after a long time. My car has come repaired, and there was a problem with the steering wheel that has been changed. The steering rack has been changed, and now my car has come after 1.5 months after repair because of parts not being delivered at the workshop. So today we are out, and today is the 12th of June, and look at that lovely. And this is the June rain of Mumbai. You can see it's raining for the past 4 days, and today also it's nice weather, lovely weather with good rains, and you can see Ralph sitting, and he's always busy on his phone. I don't know what he does on his phone, but he's always busy doing nothing. And then we got Snoopy also behind him, Jenny sitting behind, and Snoopy, Ralph can listen. Snoopy, beta, there see Snoopy, how is she's looking, and after a long time she's sitting in the car, and she's very happy to sit in the car. Anytime we tell her, Snoopy, come on, and she's ready to sit in the car. She is a princess, she cannot travel in any other vehicle other than the car. So I am forced to keep my car, otherwise I would have sold off my car. But because of Snoopy, I am keeping my car. That's the truth, actually. So we are now going out. Today is Saturday. Supposed to be a lockdown, but look here. People are roaming, just like us. So the shops are not fully open. First go and get that soil's money.
Okay, that now behind again we have to go. Coming that is that is sort of it. Going I will go. Go on the top. They only have to take.
So we are thinking about it, telling them that we are going out. That car is running smoothly now. The steering has become perfect, it not loose. Initially the car used to waver here and there because of the steering wheel problem. Now it is bright as new. And now even my bag is also, they have changed even these ramps. This
They're
was all
worn out.
worn out and not spoiled, and they have changed this. That's so nice. And even the horn pad has been changed. So all three settings perfectly. Now where we are going? So I need to purchase some shoes, ready shoes.
Flip-flops.
We are just going to some shop to see what we purchase or any shoes or something. And look at this beautiful place. This is Kharghar, and Kharghar is so beautiful. I think it is one of the best place to stay in because it is a educational hub over here. And main thing is there is no liquor shop, and it is a well planned developed place. Nice city, but lovely. So I just put up my mask because there will be a police check over there. Okay. Aisa will be-
There are no bullets now anywhere. Only on main road usually.
No shoe shop open years. Can you believe that? 10 years and it is not even commissioned, partly constructed. This here you will get. I don't think you will get.
God knows. What are
Trying to see if we can get.
That is Utsav Chowk.
And
It's beautiful at night with all the lights.
yeah, the Utsav Chowk is fully lighted up. And
Lit up.
so you can see a beautiful place over there. Lighting. So now we are going to Mr. DIY. I doubt her that if you get shoes over there.
कुछ ना सोचा कुछ ना देखा कुछ भी पूछा ना एक अनजान से चल पड़े साथ हम कैसे ऐसे बन के साथी राहों में
रिमझिम के गीत सावन गाए
हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में बड़ी लंबी जी की बातें बड़ी छोटी ये बरखा की रात जी
कहना क्या है सुनना क्या है कहने सुनने की अब क्या है बात जी
बिन कहे बिन सुने दिल ने दिल से कर ली बातें बातों में के झिम के गीत सावन गाए
हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में
झिम के गीत सावन गाए हाय भीगी भीगी रातों
Now we have come at Bata shop. So we have come to buy some shoes. So let's see. We need some monsoon shoes. Well, this is better. This. Yeah. This is good, Ren. Huh? इसमें कलर कितना है? दो कलर है. Black. This is good, na? This is the grey. So much they got collection. So others they normally don't have collection. See, this is nice. Other that is also nice. See this or this you can see. Lotus the one and this you can see. Nice. And now we are at Bata. You can see so much collection they got. Wow. नहीं. इसमें भी डिस्काउंट है क्या? और क्या क्या पीस है आपके पास? You can see काफी अच्छा जो पीस है इनके पास. Real, this is also nice, but this is not a rainy shoes. Real, see here also. Look at this, Real.
सर वो बेटर रहेगा जो ऑल सीजन पार्टी कर
Every day you here there is so much. See, nice they got. बहुत बढ़िया चीज they got. See, Real, they have beautiful collection over here. Sana boy, here they got lots collection. Come and see here. They have for children also over here. Ladies this side. They have slippers. See here. That side all slippers are there. Only this side they got is rainy collection. So we took one sandal for Ralph and the charge for that was 1,505 and they have taken charge for bag also. So as per the court order they have to give bag free but they are charging for the bag. And it's cheap. Where is my car?
We go to step in now.
Sir, change now. Now we are coming step in, but where is step in? So we have come here and step in. That's this. And I normally buy here. So I come all the way here to where because here step in. So we purchase most of the shoes from this shop only. As you can see, they have 2 floors, one here and one up. And now we have come to Navratan Hotel. ये नवरत्न होटल है and अभी हम मेनू देख रहे हैं. As Indians, we love to see the menu, but we'll order that only what we are eating regular. But मेनू देखना जरूरी है. Okay. चलो मैंने मेनू देख लिया. बोला ना एज इंडियंस हमको मेनू देखना जरूरी है लेकिन ऑर्डर करेगा वही जो हम हमेशा खाता है. अरे मेरे लिए तो मेदू वड़ा अपना एज ए सेड आई ईट नॉर्मली दैट ओनली मेदू वड़ा. नहीं सांभर डाल के लेके आओ. एंड और हेल्प इज ऑर्डरिंग एज ए सेड ही आल्सो विल सी द मेनू एंड देन ही विल ऑर्डर पाव भाजी ओनली
And the sheets on
एज यूजुअल.
What she wants, dosa.
And she is always on the phone. Look at this nice hotel. Navratan is a very well-known hotel over here in Vashi, and it is next to the bus stop. There's the main road over there. And ये होटल को कम से कम कितना 40 साल हुआ रहेगा ना अपना. And this hotel is for almost 40 years. And they have still maintained their quality as they have started. Till date, their quality is the same. पेट्रोल ना मैंने बोला था ना पूरा मेनू पड़ेगा लेकिन ऑर्डर वही करेगा जो हमेशा खाता है.
What is that sabudana?
ओके समथिंग डिफरेंट. ये सब खाना आ गया हमारा. ब्रेकफास्ट मेदू वड़ा चीज़ एंड साबुदाना वड़े. And their quantities are very good, lovely, very tasty.